All right, the passenger base, um, I'm going to pick up partway into the sketch because drawing circles and squares is pretty simple. The star is a little complicated. I'll go ahead and go through it in the video, but what I tell my students, especially if they're behind, is to not worry about building the star. Go ahead and put a regular pentagon in there and be done with it. If they're getting a little bit behind, it does not have to be an exact copy. We don't usually build the people anyways. So, well, regular polygon, let's go ahead and do the triangle. So it should have 3 sides, and I want to pick inscribed. So I'll just draw a triangle. And if you notice, one side is supposed to be vertical, so I'll pick vertical constraint, and then let's put some dimensions on it. 0.638, and then distance to the side is 0.05, and distance from the end is 0.2. So the triangle is simple enough. The star uses construction lines, and there's actually a little bit easier way of doing it than what they did. But let's go ahead and draw and dimension a circle first. The center point is 0.363 from the side. No, it's the other way is 0.363. That one is 0.488. And the distance up is 0.363. Okay, and the diameter of that circle is 0.605. And then let's draw the inner circle. That is 0.412. And those circles need to be changed to be construction circles. So if we select it and then click construction, that'll change them to be construction circles. And then we need to draw 2 pentagons. So let's do our regular polygon tool, inscribed, 5 sides. And we first click the center, and then let's come straight down to where that's on the line. And then let's draw another one that goes straight up. And those endpoints need to be vertical with the center of the circle. And you'll notice as soon as I do that, that makes them fully constrained. But those pentagons need to be changed into construction lines. Oh boy, you're kidding me. I gotta make them one at a time, construction lines. Isn't that fun? Whoops, that I made a center line by accident. Let's see. What if I click and drag and make them all construction lines? There we go. Okay, so now we're going to make sure we hit all these intersection points. Whoops, except I don't want a construction tool on. I want object lines now. But you got to make sure that you hit all of those intersection points. So make sure you're getting that little intersection point symbol or it won't quite come out right. And for some reason, it doesn't want to constrain those. It says we're missing a dimension. I'm not sure what, because those are on the line. Oh, there. I don't know why. The bug in the program, when I tried to move it, it wouldn't move. So, all right. So for what it's worth, there's the star. And now, when we go to extrude this, of course, we want to make sure we extrude the shape without the insides, and of course, that extrudes a distance of 0.3. And then if we flip around to the outside, to the back side then, we shell that, and the shell thickness, I think it tells us 10 thousandths. That's a pretty thin shell. Okay, so there's the shell thickness there, and that's the passenger base.